To set up lock screen on Samsung Galaxy A05, first let's open our settings. Then we can scroll down and look for the lock screen right here. And then we can go for the screen lock type. Now what you need to do, if you haven't already, you can add the PIN code, password, pattern, or a swipe, and some of them offer you more protection, some of them less. For example, if you decide on swipe, this will offer no security. If you go for the pattern, it gives you medium security, password gives you high security, and the PIN number also gives you medium security to high security, depending on how complicated the code is. So now choose whichever one you like. In this case, I'm gonna stick with the pattern. And our lock screen is basically already set up. We can also add the face unlock option. You can find it right here on the bottom of lock screen options. But I won't be scanning my face, so if you like, you can do it. But now let me show you that the lock screen is actually set. As you can see, I need to unlock my phone.